Howdy, hello everyone. I'm guessing the reason why you clicked on this link is because your student is in my third period photography course. Real quick about me, I'm Jay Dukart, aka known as Duke. This is my 25th year at Rocky Mountain High School. I love Rocky, been here forever. I teach a whole bunch of different art classes from 2D to 3D to photo to drawing and painting and AP art. You can see here on the bottom, I have included my office cell phone number as well as my email address. If you would ever like to reach out, contact me about the class, what's going on, or just to say hi. I can be reached super easy. I keep an eye on that all the time, and you are welcome to do it. Photography 1. Photography is all about traditional fine art photo here at Rocky. Kids actually get to experience shooting with a 35 millimeter SLR film camera, hands-on film processing, and black and white darkroom printing of their own photographs. It's a quarter-long course, so the next 9 to 10 weeks, all the shooting that students do in class will be homework. Everything else is done at Rocky. And the biggest push in this class is to teach kids how to become better photographers, better at taking photographs, cropping, framing, printing, and all the hands-on business of what photo is all about. It's super cool. It's super exciting. Not very many people on this planet can do this, and it's a great intro class here at Rocky into the art department. Again, my name is Jay Dukart, and if you'd ever like to reach out, my office number is here, and my email address is jdukart@psdschools.org. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions or concerns regarding my course. Thanks so much. Hope to talk to you soon.